Below the stone where daylight dies, great holes are carved where the mountain sighs. Pillars rise like rooted trees, holding up our centuries. No wind runs here, no rider roams, only echo, fire, and home. Oh, strike and stand, hammer sound across the land, not of grass or open plain, but of mine and furnace flame. Oh, hear the call, stone remembers one and all. We are bound where mountains lie, iron strong until we die. Furnace breath is our warm sky, red lit smoke goes rolling by. Bellows sing in measured breath, fire is born from toil and death. Steel is shaped by patient hands, not by chance, command. Oh, strike and stand, hammer sound across the land. Every blow a counted vow, sworn in stone and kept in now. Oh, hear the ring, let the halls of iron sing. What is forged beneath the ground shall not fail, shall not be found weak. We do not ride, we do not roll. The mountain is our flesh and bone. What we build, the world must bear long after names are worn and bare. Weapons born of measured flame, edges true and marked by name, not for boast or fleeting war, but to guard the ever door. Shield and axe and tempered will hold the deep and hold it still. Oh, strike and stand, hammer sound across the land. From the mine to vault to the throne, all is carved, not claimed alone. Oh, voices rise, fill the deep and shake the sky. Stone and fire, hand and plan, we endure. Below the stone